Hey there, everybody. This is Keith from Crypto Coin Mindset. I hope all is well with you today. Today is December 12th, 2018, and in this video, we're going to do crypto market news. But as always, let's start out with a look at the crypto market. Now, at first glance, this is looking pretty good. Bitcoin at 35, 15, 52. That's amazing compared to what it's been. We're in the middle of a rally right now, a reaction rally, because that's exactly what it is. But what can I say about the markets? They're still down. Okay, I guess my update is complete. On to the news. So if you ask me, this is pretty big news. We are big fans of Gemini. Gemini was the second exchange that we joined when we entered the space. I still use them to this day. As far as I'm concerned, this has been a long time in coming. Gemini has launched a mobile app. As soon as I heard about this, I had to download that app on my phone. Maybe I'll do a separate video reviewing the app, but that's for later. Now, I'll make sure that I put links for the Google Play Store and Apple iOS in the description of this video below, so make sure you go check it out if you want to get this app. The app boasts the following features. Obviously, you can buy and sell, send and receive. You can view market prices, and of course, the value of your portfolio. You can set price alerts, and if you're trading, this is a very helpful option. I actually use this option on other apps all the time. You can set recurring buy orders. This is another very useful feature. If you're looking for a simple way to just dollar cost average into a crypto position, you can set your amount to buy, your time interval, and wham! It's done for you. And it doesn't matter what the price actually is, it just buys it on that recurring interval at that recurring amount. Last but not least, you can also buy Cryptoverse, which is basically their perfectly packaged basket of cryptos. Think of it like an index fund in the stock market. Now, Gemini president Cameron Winklevoss, one of the Winklevoss twins, said in his blog post, quote, "We spent the last 3 years building the world's most trusted cryptocurrency platform, and today we are excited to extend it into the hands of our customers." He finished up by saying, "Cryptocurrency never sleeps, so it's important for us to make it easy for our customers to engage with it wherever they are and whenever they want." Honestly, I'm looking forward to getting into this app and starting to use it on a consistent basis. Stay tuned. I may be doing a video on that soon. All right, on to the next. Now, frankly, this bit of news was a little bit unsettling for me, but at the same time, it didn't really surprise me. Vinny Lingham, who is the founder of Civic, I love Civic, great project as far as I'm concerned. I think it's got a big future, but that's for another video. Anyway, Mr. Lingham said in a tweet, quote, "I suspect there are a number of crypto exchanges that are currently financing their operations by running fractional reserves and utilizing deposits for paying for operations. Ironically, we still need more transparency in crypto. Not your keys, not your coins." Unquote. Now, nothing can be truer in crypto than that last statement. Not your keys, not your coins. Why? Because if you don't own the private keys to your coins, then you really don't control them. This is exactly the case when you leave your money sitting on an exchange. You're leaving your money in their wallet that they, of course, have conveniently provided for you. So, you might be asking, what exactly is fractional reserve lending or fractional reserve banking? Well, I'll tell you what, let's try something different today. Let's let Google tell us what it is. Everybody likes to do that these days, right?
Fractional reserve banking is the common practice by commercial banks of accepting deposits and making loans or investments while holding reserves at least equal to a fraction of the bank's deposit liabilities. 1. Reserves are held as currency in the bank or as balances in the bank's accounts at the central bank. Fractional reserve banking is the current form of banking practiced in most countries worldwide. 2. Fractional reserve banking allows banks to act as financial intermediaries between borrowers and savers, and to provide longer-term loans to borrowers while providing immediate liquidity to depositors, providing the function of maturity transformation. However, a bank can experience a bank run if depositors wish to withdraw more funds than the reserves that are held by the bank. To mitigate the risks of bank runs and systemic crisis, when problems are extreme and widespread, governments of most countries regulate and oversee commercial banks, provide deposit insurance and act as lender of last resort to commercial banks.
Well, that was fun. Not. At the end of the day, all I can say with regard to this fractional reserve lending with the exchanges is, I hope it's not true.
Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! No, Will Robinson! Danger! Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! No, Will Robinson! Danger!
I hope you found this video helpful. I'd like to take a quick moment to ask you to give this video a like. It definitely helps our channel. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and then tick that little bell. That'll make sure that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Now, if you've been watching our videos, you know we don't put any of those silly ads on our videos. You know, the ones that you have to sit there and watch before you can see the content that people put out. However, we do have some affiliate links in our description below. I encourage you to check those out. We only put links to things that we use or invest in. And by using those links, it will help support the channel and allow us to keep putting out more great content. That being said, I hope all the investments you make are great. If you're a trader, I hope all your trades are profitable. And stay tuned for more crypto market updates. Take care.